Hey guys, how's it going? This is Pete with Stone Glacier, and I want to take a second just to show you how to reattach or attach for the first time your web truss onto your Skyscraper two-person tent. So as you can see, I have my web truss in my hand and my tent body staked out below me here. There are 4 long legs coming off of our web truss. Each long leg is going to go to a corresponding corner of the tent, and we want to make sure that this piece of black fabric is oriented up and not upside down with just straight shiny blue. We in fact want the duller blue and the black fabric to be facing up. Once we have that facing the right direction, we're going to orient the web truss to where the longer legs are headed out into the furthest corners of our tent. And we'll do the same over on the opposite side here. There are 2 shorter legs off the web truss that will be used for our bow pole to run diagonally across the tent body. But right now you can see every leg of the web truss is kind of loosely laid out towards its corresponding corner. So now one at a time we're going to work our way around to each corner and connect the web truss to the tent body. So for each leg of the web truss, we're going to want to make sure it's laid out flat with no twists in the fabric, following it all the way down to the end here to where this reflective tab is facing out. We then want to take our small carabiner to the closest inside plastic loop on the foot of the tent. So for the bow pole, we want to make sure that it is also laying flat off the top of the web truss with this small black pocket facing up. On the bottom side, we have a carabiner that will attach to the corresponding small plastic loop above the tent door. Do the same on both sides. Now that we have our web truss attached to all the 6 corresponding spots on the tent body, the last step is to attach the small male-female clips in between the web truss legs and the tent body. Repeat this step on all 4 of the long legs of the web truss, and then it'll be successfully installed onto your tent body and can permanently live there.